Most AI avatars you see out there honestly just look fake. Dead eyes, robotic movements. That kind of something feels off vibe. And on the other end of the spectrum, creating a high-quality AI avatar often costs way too much. Make avatars perform expressive actions by syncing motion to your scripts, all in one place.
And even more so if you're a beginner trying to keep costs as low as possible. So over the past 6 months, I tested 20 different AI avatar tools. And during that process, I discovered something that was actually worth it. Something that can save you a ton of money while still creating high-quality AI avatars. There's one method that's so effective, a lot of YouTubers are already using it behind closed doors. And in this video, yeah, I'm going to reveal it to you. And here's the part nobody really talks about. You don't need expensive software. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact AI tool I personally use to create incredibly realistic AI avatars, plus a bunch of other fun features. It's basically an all-in-one place where you can explore and build everything. You'll also get free credits to test things out first. And if you like it, you can choose to pay weekly, monthly, or yearly, totally flexible. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete roadmap. All right, now let me show you how to set this up step by step. Step 1. Dreamface Setup. First, log into Dreamface, then choose Avatar Video. Here, you've got a few options. You can use your own video and add lip sync. This is actually the best way to connect with your audience. The movements are smoother, it feels more natural, and you save tons of time because you don't need to re-record new videos every time. But what if you don't want to show your face on camera? No worries. The fastest and easiest option is to use the ready-made avatars inside Dreamface. Wait, but the best part isn't even here yet, because ideally, you want to create a character with your own identity. That's exactly what I did for my YouTube channel. When you see it, you instantly know that's LexroAI. Now this part is really important, so don't skip it. You need to decide what avatar style you want to pursue. A mysterious, masked character? Okay, I'm joking. Even though some channels do use that strategy. But honestly, it limits brand recognition and makes it harder to truly connect with your audience. Here are some avatar styles I actually recommend. 3D cartoon, Pixar style, or realistic. The process for all of them is the same, only the prompt changes. I've left sample prompts in the video description, and you can also join my Discord to grab them and test things out yourself. And hey, don't forget to support the channel with a like, subscribe, and comment. That really helps motivate me to keep making these videos. Step 2. Generate image video. Once you've chosen your avatar style, move on to generating the character image. Remember, once you've created your best avatar and your best video, you can reuse it for all your future videos on the channel. No need to start from scratch every time. Why? This helps your audience remember you better and for longer. Your avatar becomes your visual brand. So beginners, don't overlook this. Consistency matters.
Don't use one avatar today and a different one tomorrow. Let's say I go with the realistic style.
Head over to Image Generation and choose Nano Banana Pro. This is a seriously powerful image model with very little competition right now. Paste in your prompt, choose the ratio, and note that here you'll export 1K images. If you want 4K, you can use Veo 3.1 Ultra instead. Once you have your image, it's time to generate the video. And if you've stayed with me until this point, this is your reward. Because I'm about to share the key detail that makes your avatar look high resolution without feeling overly AI. Go to the video icon inside Dreamface. Here, you can choose Seedance 1.5 or Google Veo 3.1. From my experience, Veo 3.1 gives smoother, more natural motion, especially for animated characters, but you can still try Seedance and compare for yourself. Here's the result I got using both models. Which one do you prefer? Leave a comment below. Prompts are in the video description. Step 3. Avatar video plus audio. Next, go back to Avatar Video. Upload the video you just created. Upload your pre-made audio, or generate text-to-audio directly inside Dreamface. You can even clone your own voice to create a unique identity, or simply choose a ready-made voice on the right. Super easy, super convenient. Like I said, all in one place, and it saves a lot of time. Now choose your resolution. If you're using premium like I am, you can select 1080p right away. But, even on the Pro plan, you still get high quality. Even though it shows 720p here, I'll explain why in just a second. Avatar videos can be generated up to 600 seconds, which means you don't have to keep regenerating and wasting credits. Click Generate. Once the video is done, if you're on the Pro plan, just hit Upscale. Wait a bit, and your video gets upgraded to a much better quality. And that's it. You've got your avatar. Easy to use, easy to operate. Act already looks impressive enough. Upload your video. Upload your avatar image. If you want the motion, actions, and voice to be yours, but the character to be animated, Just upload both, click Free Daily, and boom, this is the result. Amazing, right? I'll share a discount code with you in a moment. After you use the free credits, you can apply this code to save even more money. Dreamface also has a watermark remover for both videos and images. I tested it, and it works really well. For example, I upload a video, hit enter, and it's completely clean. No traces at all. Honestly, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Dreamface has many more features that I haven't covered yet. I only shared the ones I personally use and believe are most useful for you. Here's the discount code for January 2026. I'll keep updating future codes in the video description. And don't forget to check Discord for the latest announcements. Once again, sample prompts are linked below in the description and comments. In upcoming videos, I'll be sharing how to create viral video formats, YouTube niches that are easier to grow, evergreen content strategies. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos from LexroAI. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.